So, what's going on?
It's just that I promised my audience that I'd install Windows 11 on this 16-year-old iMac.
And?
It's just so hard, I don't know, life's just been rough, man.
Why didn't you start from the beginning?
So I got this iMac home and it turns out to be a 2008 iMac with an Intel Core 2 Duo, 4 gigs of RAM, and an ATI Radeon 2600 Pro.
Whoa, ATI? That old?
Yeah, I know. Anyways, it had macOS El Capitan installed on it and do boot of Windows 7, but I tried installing Windows XP on it, which was its own can of worms.
Really? I thought XP was supported on it.
I thought so too, but I guess not everything in life can be that easy. So it turns out the DVD drive is broken and it doesn't boot Windows from USB, but I bought this USB DVD burner because my XP CD was kind of done for, but it turns out it can boot from that USB DVD burner.
Really? That's weird.
Tell me about it. So I installed XP and all the drivers, and it went super smoothly, so I promised my audience that I'd get Windows 11 on this computer, but it's a 16-year-old iMac. Yeah, that's the point. So at first I thought I'd just install Windows 11 and try to bypass the system requirements, but the Windows 11 ISO is 6 gigs.
So?
A DVD is only 4 gigs.
Ah.
So I thought I'll use Tiny 11. That's only 4.47 gigs and it'll fit on a DVD. And? Didn't boot. I don't know, I got Windows XP and 7 on it, but it refuses to boot from the USB, and I can't fit regular Windows 11 on a DVD. Why don't you just install Windows 7 and see where it goes from there? I was like, oh shit, I can run the Windows 11 installer from Windows 7. So I installed Windows 7, which by the way, it auto-installed all the drivers as well with Arrow, and we finally got to the desktop. So I ejected the Windows 7 DVD, put the Tiny 11 DVD, ran the setup, and... Okay, maybe it has problems because it's on a DVD. So I made a Tiny 11 USB, plugged it in, and... same problem.
Why'd you leave in the middle of our session? Do I f***ing pay you to question me or listen to me?
So anyways, I took your little epiphany of see where life goes. It goes f***ing nowhere.
Why didn't you talk about—
No more talk, yeah? Just take out a little prescription pad and let me just forget about this whole ordeal. You know, in life, there's always two sides to one story. And what I found is, wait, where are you going? Okay, so Windows 11 won't fit on a regular DVD, but you know what it will fit on? A dual layer DVD. So I ordered a bunch, they arrived, but there's still all the bullshit, the TPM requirements and stuff. Okay, so when this wasn't working, I installed Windows 11 on this MacBook Pro, and some genius on the internet figured out that you can take the Windows 10 setup, replace this file, and actually install Windows 11. So I made a custom ISO, burned it on a dual layer DVD, tried to boot from it, but nothing. But no harm in trying to start the setup for Windows 7, so I did, and it did start, because it thinks it's the Windows 10 setup. It goes through and, okay, simple enough, right? I just need to find a product key. Okay, how about this one? How about this one? How about this one? Now I sure as hell ain't about to buy a Windows 10 product key just to trick this into installing Windows 11.
What now? I can't find a Windows 10 product key.
If I get you one, will you promise to get the f out and never come back?
Yeah, Thanks.
So the default product key didn't work, but this random one worked, and it started installing.
It was very, very slow. Granted, I could have done it from the USB, but I was just testing. And after like a whole hour, it actually worked.
Oh my god, I actually did it. It's Windows 11, not even Tiny 11, Windows 11 on this Intel Core 2 Duo iMac from 2008.
So I wanted to get as many drivers on this as possible, but it's not even supposed to run Windows 8. How the hell am I gonna get drivers for Windows 11?
Hey. Nope.
So I scoured the internet looking for all kinds of different boot camp drivers, but I could not find anything that will work.
But I did find this package of iMac 2008 drivers, so I installed them and I don't know, it did something.
But you know what, for all of Windows 11's complaints, it auto-installs drivers, because after a few reboots, the display fixed itself, and we have Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. Look, it even found the correct resolution. The only thing that doesn't work is sound. So I manually installed sound drivers from that package, and voila!
Yo, honestly, I'm shocked as to how I got this shit working. Like, it should not have worked at all.
So how usable is it? Well, the internet is browsable, like YouTube is playable, but not in high resolution, just 480p. And the general UI is... it's slow. Although I should note that this does have a mechanical hard drive, so that's probably what's slowing it down. It's not as snappy as Windows 7, but it works better than I expected. So let's try gaming. Most One in 2012 works, about the same as it did on Windows 7 though, which is to say it doesn't run very well. Batman Arkham City didn't work and neither did GTA 5. Although full disclosure, it's most likely the hardware that's holding it back, not software. I mean, we are looking at a 256 megabyte graphics card. Be thankful for how far we've gotten. and like and subscribe for more of this content. Bye!
Well, like always, thank you guys for watching. This video was a little bit weird because it was like too long to be a short video, but too short to be a long video. So I just like, yeah, I'll just make it and it'll be as long as it needs to be, whatever. So anyways, like and subscribe. Bye!